Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are good at home and you are learning. So, yesterday we had our first class after the summer break. I hope you all enjoyed and you are done with your work. That's good. So, let us start our today's class. We will start our class with English. Okay. So, all of you go and bring your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2. Okay, we'll start the work now. Okay, Karmita, you all are ready for work? Elara, Prisha, Ritaj, Viraj, Vidansh, Yuvan. Are you all ready? Amira, you all are ready? Vidansh? Okay, that's good. So now you have your book in your hand? Your book is there in your hand? So let me start with the work. Turn the page, open your book and turn the page. Do you all remember which letter we did yesterday? कौन सा letter किया था कल? We did letter I. I says E insect. What is the phonic sound of I? It's E. What is the phonic sound of letter I? It's E. Let's listen to the phonic sound once again.
I, I, I. Insect itching, insect itching, is the sound of I.
So E is the sound of I. E is the sound of I.
I, I, I. Insect itching, insect itching, is the sound of I.
So E is the sound of I. E is the sound of I. Okay. And what are the other things related with letter I? It's insect. Let me show you. So today is our session 34. What's this? What is this, Yashvi? Tell me what's this? This is insect. E, insect. E, ink pot. E, ink pot. E, India, our country. E, ink. E, ink. E, iguana. E, iguana. Okay, so these are the things related with letter I. The sound is E. E, insect. E, ink pot. E, India. E, iguana. E, ink. E, 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 E. E is the sound of I. E is the sound of I. Speak with me. E is the sound of I. Then you have to do a kinesthetic activity. What was that? Have the children pretend to itch. You have to itch and say E, insect. E, insect. Now we will discuss about this. Now we will discuss about this insect. Insects are colorful. Insects are colorful. They have vibrant colors. Okay. Some are green, some are brown. Some insects are of green color like grasshopper, and some are brown like cockroach. Ants, cockroaches, butterflies. Butterflies have so many colors. Have you all seen butterfly? Very good. Flies and mosquitoes. These all are insects. These all are insects. Ants, cockroaches, butterflies, flies and mosquitoes. These all are insects. Insects. Insect. Ink pot. ink pot. E, India. E, iguana. E, iguana. E, ink. E, ink. So this is about letter I. Now here is a question. This insect has dots or stripes? These are dots. What do we call it? इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ये dots है ना, small dots. And what is this? जब हम ऐसे lines draw करते हैं, these are stripes. These are stripes. So this animal has dots or stripes? Tell me. Dots है या stripes हैं? It has stripes. Okay, do you know any other animal that has stripes? Zebra. Have you seen zebra in any of the image? Zebra is also having stripes on body. Okay, so zebra is black and white, and it also has stripes on body. The way this insect has stripes on the body. Okay, does it has dots? इस पे dots नहीं है, इस पे क्या है? Stripes. What are there on the body? Stripes. Done? So this is about letter I. Once again, listen to the phonic sound of letter I, because phonic sound is really very important to learn.
I, I. Insect itching, insect itching, is the sound of I.
So E is the sound of I. E is the sound of I. So this is all about English. Now please open your rhymes book and let's listen to today's rhyme. Okay? Open your rhymes book. All of you go and bring your rhymes book. Fast, 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 fast. So this is my rhymes book. I have brought my book. Where is your book? I'm going to open the book and let's listen to the rhyme. Okay. Which rhyme was there yesterday? We are going to the zoo. Where we are going? To the zoo. Ma'am is taking us to the zoo tomorrow. For sure, when you'll join the school, we'll take you to the zoo. I promise. Fine? When you'll come back to me, we'll take you to the zoo. Okay? I know you all love visiting zoo and watching animals and looking at them. So now let us listen to the rhyme. Let's listen to the rhyme first. I'm going to play the rhyme. Listen it carefully, okay?
Let's take us to the zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow. Let's take us to the zoo tomorrow. We can stay all day, but we're going to the zoo. How about you? You can come to we're going to the zoo. See the monkeys, swing, scratching, swing, scratching, swing, scratching. See the monkeys, swing, scratching. We can stay all day, but we're going to the zoo. How about you? You can come too. We're going to the zoo. See the lions roaring, roaring, roaring. See the lions roaring. We can stay all day, but we're going to the zoo. How about you? You can come too. We're going to the zoo. See the snakes, listening. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo. How about you? You can go to. We're going to the zoo. See the ducks swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. See the ducks swimming in the water. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo. How about you? You can go to. We're going to the zoo.
So this was a beautiful rhyme. We are going to the zoo. Okay. I hope you all enjoyed listening to the rhyme. You all enjoyed. Very good. But now we are moving to our next subject, that is Hindi, because yesterday we did maths and today we are going to do Hindi. So I request all of you, go and bring your Hindi book. Go and bring your child-centric Hindi Chitra Pustika Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2. Okay? Go and bring your book fast. I hope you all have brought your book. So let us open the book. It's been so long. We haven't done Hindi. Okay? So turn the page. I hope you are able to recognize all the swar. You are able to recognize? Okay. So, before summer break, we did up to O. Today we are going to do O, Aurat. Okay? Today we are going to do this swar. आज हम कौन सा स्वर करने जा रहे हैं? औरत. औरत. So this is औरत. This is औरत. What are the other things related with औजार. औजार. Okay? औषधि. औषधि. So, औजार, औजार, औषधि, औषधि. What is औषधि? औषधि क्या है? Medicine, दवाई आप जो खाते हैं when you are not well. ठीक है? औजार, tools. औषधि, औषधि. मेरी माँ है एक औरत, दादी नानी भी है औरत, मेरी टीचर भी है औरत, और धरती माँ भी है औरत. औरत इज विमेन, लेडी. ओके, व्हाट आर द सेइंग? आपकी मम्मा भी औरत है, आपकी दादी नानी टीचर और ये धरती माँ भी औरत है. ओके, कौन कौन है? माँ, दादी, नानी, टीचर, धरती माँ. सो ये सब कौन है? औरत है. These all are ladies. These all are women's. We all should respect them. Okay? औरत, औरत, औजार, औजार, औषधि, औषधि. एंड आप यहाँ पे देखिए एक बॉक्स है एम्प्टी. आपको यहाँ क्या करना है? आपको यहाँ पर अपनी मम्मा की फोटो पेस्ट करनी है, पासपोर्ट साइज. ओके, डन. मम्मा को बोलना है गिव मी योर फोटो, आई हैव टू पेस्ट इट इन माय बुक. आपको मम्मा की पिक्चर लेनी है, फोटो लेनी है और आपको कहाँ पेस्ट करनी है? इस बॉक्स पे पेस्ट करनी है. ओके, मेरी माँ है एक औरत, दादी नानी भी है औरत, मेरी टीचर भी है औरत, और धरती माँ भी है औरत. सो औरत, औजार, औषधि, औषधि. Okay, this is the new स्वर that we have done today. इससे पहले आप कौन कौन सा स्वर कर चुके हैं? अ, आ, ई, उ, री ऋषि, ए, ओ. Okay, so we are done up to औरत, औरत, औषधि, औषधि, औजार. और आप क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पर अपनी मम्मा की फोटो पेस्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस पेज एंड आपको इस चित्र की और औ की पहचान करनी है. ठीक है? ओके, so we are done for today. You have to revise letter I, insect, E, insect. I says E, insect. Okay, और आपको rhyme learn करनी है and you have to do this स्वर औरत, औरत. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Up to that you have to complete your work. You have to complete your work side by side. I am assigning you the task. Okay, goodbye, take care, we will meet tomorrow. Bye, and I really miss you all. Bye.